Sawa ka na ba sa plain rice at gusto mo ng something special? At eto, may bago nga sa Dasmam bukas, Chinese modern style na nag-offer ng authentic fried rice at noodles na nagbabaga pa fresh from the wok. Must try itong kanilang bestseller na Yangzhou fried rice na may toppings na deep fried pork chop. Sa serving pa lang ng pork chop at ng kanilang fried rice ay panalo ka na. At yung lasa naman ay para ka nang nakain sa high-end Chinese restaurant. Samahan mo pa ng kanilang homemade na chili garlic oil na unlimited kapag nag-dine ka. Egg fried rice na may toppings ng kanilang fried pork siomai. Other than pork siomai, marami pa kayong choices ng kanilang mga toppings. Korean style fried rice na kimchi fried rice at toppings na Asian fried chicken sa serving sa lasa from Korean sauce and spices at fresh kimchi. Ebi tempura with garlic mayo sauce na crispy outside at fresh and juicy na shrimp at ang nagpasarap na garlic mayo sauce. Bestseller na stir fried noodles. Fresh ingredients, made to order, kaya sure na mainit pa at masarap. Tapos toppings na fried shark's fin, isabay mo pa ang toyo mansi at chili garlic oil. At in-order din namin itong spicy corn na isa sa kanilang mga sides at red iced tea na isa din sa kanilang drinks. At air condition na Chinese modern style dining area, malinis at malawak, may board games, located sa D-Hub Building, 2nd floor, Barangay Burol, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.